A human rights group in Garissa has raised concerns about the numerous challenges communities face in obtaining essential identity documents, including birth certificates and national identification cards. Speaking in Abdi Summit during issuance of birth certificates, the group's program manager, Kasida Adlai, said recently added charges for obtaining birth certificates and distances to access offices remained a major challenge. Now, she said most communities in areas where there is no civil registration are forced to travel and even spend days. A matter she noted that many school-going children do not have these essential documents.
Most of these communities, most of the areas within Garissa County do not have face a lot of difficulties when it comes to accessing nationality document, that is from birth and IDs, simply because of the distance, the poor road network, access to these registration offices and these registration services.
Haki na Sheria has been helping the community through the initiatives of the government programs, specifically birth certificates. Currently, we have been here at Abdi Summit location, and 115 children were registered. And today, we are issuing them with the birth certificates to the local community. We are thanking Haki na Sheria because, as a government, we have been doing this work, but with the help of Haki na Sheria now, we have increased the number of children that were given or issued.
And that story matters to do with registration documents, really important for Kenyans out there, hoping that the government will do the necessary. But now let's take a short commercial break. We'll be back with much more.